Dear students of class 3, today we are going to learn chapter 1, 4-digit numbers. Odd and even. Odd numbers that cannot be put into pairs are called odd number. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd number. 13, 21, 45, 67 and 99 are also odd numbers. A number is odd if it has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in each one's place. Even numbers. Numbers that can be put into pairs are even numbers. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers. 12, 26, 44, 50 and 78 are also even numbers. A number is even if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in each one's place. The Roman number system. In Roman number system, there are certain rules. Rule number 1, repetition of numeral I means addition, however, it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. And rule number 2, a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value means subtraction. Rule number 3, a smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value means addition. Rule number 4, besides I, x can also be repeated up to 3 times. Repetition of x means addition. V cannot be repeated. And rule number 5, for expressing numbers greater than 10, the numbers are first split into tens and ones. Let's do exercise 1.9. Write E for even and O for odd. Question number 2, 68. So 68 is even or odd. You have to find out the ones place first. This is 8 is in the ones place. So 8 is even number. So you have to write even. 68 is even. And question number 7, 342. Question number 7, 342. So you have to look the number in the ones place. So the number in the ones place is 2. This is in the ones place and 2 is even number. While finding if it is even or odd, even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these are even numbers. So 2 is even number and digit number 2 in the ones place is even number. So these numbers are even. So you have to write even number. And question number 13, 794. 794 is even or odd. You have to find out the numbers in the ones place. So the numbers in the ones place is 4. So 4 is even or odd. You have to find here. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So 4 is there. You have to write. This is even number. So 749 is even number. And question number 15, 739. 739 is even or odd. You have to find out the number in the ones place. So this is in the ones place. Ones place even number. There are no 9s. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So 9 is not there. So this is odd numbers. So 739 is odd number. And question number 20, 4444. 4444. So you have to find out if this is even or odd number. You have to find out the numbers in the ones place first. So this is in the ones place first. And number 4 is even or odd. You have to find out here. So number 4 is in the evens place or is in the even. So you have to write here even. And question number 25, 3699. So you have to find out this if it is even or odd. You have to find out the numbers in the ones place first. So this is 9 is in the ones place. So 9 is odd number. So you have to write odd. And next, fill in the blanks where necessary. So 10, you have to write 10 as Roman number system X. And again 10, another X, and 10 another x equals 30. You have to write 30 here. And 39. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So here you have to write in the Roman number system way. 30 as x plus another x plus another x. So this x makes 30 plus ix. This is 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus and 9 equals 39. You have to write 39 here. And exercise 1.10. A. Write the following numbers in the Roman number system. So this you have to write in the Roman number system. Question number 1, 25. So how do you write 25? 25 is written as 2 times x plus v. So this is 25. And question number 7, 37. So how do you write 37? X 3 times and v I. So this is 37. And question number B, write the following in the decimal number system. Question number 3, x I v. So how do you write this? X 3 times is 30 and iv is 4, so you have to write 34 here. And question number 4, x I x. X 3 times is 30 and ix is always 9, so you have to write 39 here. And question number C, tick the correctly written number, cross out the incorrectly written number. Also point out the mistakes. Question number 1, x vvii. You have to find out if this is correct or not. Question number 1, x vvii. So you have to find out this is correctly written or incorrectly written. So this is incorrectly written, so you have to write x here. Why? Because v cannot be repeated. And question number 2, I. So you have to find out this is correctly written or incorrectly written. So this is incorrect, so you have to cross out. Why? I cannot be repeated 4 times. And question number 3, x. We have to find out this is correctly written or incorrectly written. So this is incorrect, so cross out. Why? Because x cannot be repeated 4 times. And question number 4, xv. Is this correctly written or incorrectly written? This is correct. So this is x 3 times is 30 and v is 5. So you have to write 35 here. And question number 5, xii. You have to find out this is correctly written or incorrectly written. So this is incorrect. So cross out because I cannot be repeated 4 times. And question number 6, xv. Is this correctly written or incorrectly written? This is correctly written, so you have to tick a correct mark because this is x is 1 and v is 5, so you have to write 15 here. And question number 7, vx. This is correctly written or incorrectly written. So this is incorrect, so you have to cross out because v cannot be repeated, v cannot be subtracted. And question number 8, vvi. This is correctly written or incorrectly written. This is incorrect, so you have to cross out. Why? Because v cannot be repeated. So that's all for today, and also learn your table of 2 and 3.